Are you looking for the best anti-snore mouth guards? We've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside. If you guys find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys looking up that helpful for me right there. So this is all of the instructions and whatnot that come with it. Seems to be pretty simple, just a simple like one-pager right there. Flipping it on over that way. Looks like you have some custom fitting materials in here. So you have this little guy right here. And then you have all of the pieces in here to be able to make the mold. Is that what that is? So you got this right here. It's got like a little silicone maybe bite in on the inside. Then this right here is the other one right there for the mold. And then you have all of these extra inserts right here, and they're numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's 5 right down there. So let's see, on here, an upper molding with one front hook, a ventilated, oh, then this is the storage box that comes with it, and it is ventilated right there as well. And then you have some straps that go onto there as well. So this is a water temperature indicator right here. You're going to need a timer and a saucepan. All right, step 1, place the temperature indicator in the saucepan containing 3 inches of cold water and heat the water. Turn off the heat source when the center of the temperature indicator changes from green to red, optimal temperature. Let the upper mold sit in the hot water for 3 minutes. Step 2, use a spoon and remove the upper molding from the hot water and shake the device for 1 to 2 seconds to remove any hot water. Face a mirror and position the upper molding by aligning its center hook with the gap between your upper central incisors. Adjust the width of the splint to match the size of your jaw. Ensure proper insertion of the molars and press the upper molding against your teeth. So you just basically need to heat this up in the hot water, and then whenever you go to take it out, you just simply bite into it to be able to create your molds from there, is how I'm understanding this. Hold the molding on your teeth using one hand. With your other hand, insert the teeth print plate. That's this right here. Bite down firmly and apply pressure with your fingers on the sides of the molding to shape the molding against your teeth. Keep the upper molding in your mouth, but remove the teeth print plate. Follow steps 1 to 3 with the lower molding without using the teeth print plate. Align the center line of the lower molding with the hook of the upper molding. And then on step 5, they talk about the straps that come along with this right here. It says use the cutter or a pair of scissors to remove the initial starting strap according to the adjustment instructions. Keep the other straps, excuse me, insert the hook of the upper molding into the center hole of the strap and turn a quarter. Ensure the writing on the tensioning strap is visible on the outside, and proceed the same with the side hooks of the lower molding strap. Then you evaluate your dental impression, and then you make your adjustment instructions if you need to make adjustment instructions from there. But it seems pretty self-explanatory. They've got great pictures on there, so you can easily follow along with exactly what you need to do. And it's written out exactly how it needs to be done, which is very, very nice. Very easily readable. But basically, yeah, you heat these up, get a good mold in there, let it sit, and then you're going to put the straps on there. So if y'all are looking for an excellent snore stopping bite guard, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all some of these right here. Hey, let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys looking that up for me. Y'all go and add this to your cart if this is something that you're looking for. And dad out. Oh, thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I could show this off to y'all. And dad out.